how to turn on camera in Microsoft Teams meeting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn on your camera in a Microsoft Teams meeting in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. Once you have joined a Microsoft Teams meeting, just open it up, and then on the toolbar in the top right, you will see the camera option. So you can just simply click on it and turn on the camera. Just tap on it and the camera will be turned on. And you can just tap on it again to turn it off. Or you can use the shortcut Control Shift and O. So this is the shortcut that you can use from your keyboard. Just remember that when the camera icon is highlighted and crossed out, that means the camera is off, and when it is no longer crossed out, your video is on and other participants can see you. It's as simple as that to turn on a camera in a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.